What we're going to do today is we are going to learn how to shade a sphere with a charcoal pencil. And you are going to learn how to shade a sphere with charcoal pencil, the 5 areas of light, and then how to use value to turn the shape of the circle into the form of the sphere. So let's get started. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our charcoal pencil and we're very going to lightly sketch in the circle shape. We're going to go ahead and we're going to draw the cast shadow. Now we know that our light source is coming from the left top corner because the cast shadow is always on the opposite side of where our light source will be. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shade in that cast shadow of the sphere. As you can see, it's the darkest area. It's going to be a gray to a black. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start in with adding shadow to turn my sphere into a form. There's reflected light just before the cast shadow, which is light that bounces off the surface that the sphere is sitting on. You're going to want to make sure to leave that area a little bit lighter. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start adding my halftone shading for my sphere. If you notice, I am using the direction of the sphere or the shape of the sphere to do my shading. I'm not shading in a straight line. I'm following the curve of that sphere. The core shadow is now put in and the halftone is actually shaded as well. The core shadow is a little bit darker than the halftone and it will blend into the halftone. And you will see a highlight there, which is the lightest area or the white. I'm going to keep layering my charcoal to add a darker tone and a darker shade to different areas as I see fit. Notice that I do not cover up the entire highlighted area. I do leave part of that white. I'm going to go back in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some more charcoal to the cast shadow, and I'm going to make that area darker. I'm going to go in, and I'm going to eventually blend that out with my finger. So using my finger, I'm blending out the shadows a little bit so that the charcoal is a little bit smoother. And it's going to spread out that shadow like it would in real life. And it's going to diffuse some of that darkness so that it gradually gets a little bit lighter around the outside of that cast shadow. And there you have it. You've got your highlight area, your midtone, your cast shadow, your reflected light, and your core shadow. I hope this was helpful.